All right, y'all, today's a fun one because we're about to go to the store and see how much money you can really make starting with just $100 looking for stuff to buy and resell online. So I got to get some caffeine under my belt real quick here. But what we're going to be looking for is items that are sitting in the Walmart clearance aisle that we can buy and sell for a lot more on Walmart, Amazon, any of the online marketplaces. And this is something I've been doing personally. I've sold about $7 million worth of stuff from retail stores, online websites, that kind of thing. This stuff has been pretty crazy for me. So I want to take you guys on a ride along today, basically showing you what items I like to scan, what items are profitable. And even if you're just here to watch somebody go on a treasure hunt, that's cool too. Or if you're learning how to start a business, you can literally replicate this for yourself. So let's go ahead and get this tea under our belt, and then we're going to go hit the Walmart clearance aisle, see what kind of stuff we can buy and resell online. And for today's video, we're going to make it a little bit more fun, and I'm going to give myself a $100 budget. We're going to see how many profitable products or how much profit I can make with just a $100 budget, because I know for a lot of us, money's pretty tight right now. So let's get after it. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started here. We're going to see how far our $100 goes to see how much profit we can really make. And we might have to get choosy here, because again, we're going to put ourselves on a little bit of a challenge here, see how much profit you can really make, even if you just have, $100 or so. So I'm going to be recording my phone. You guys are going to see everything that I'm looking at as we are diving on in here, and let's just start, right? I'm gonna be using the WAMP app to start. This is the app I use to show me what things sell for on Walmart. Some of these things we might end up switching to SellerAmp as well, and that's the app I use to show me what things sell for on Amazon. So let's scan these things and we can see if there's even a listing. So here's the data we're looking at on here, right? So on this, I can see online it's going for $22. When an item has like established demand, there's going to be some estimated sales there. That one doesn't seem to have any. So let's go ahead and skim through here. I'm just going to be focusing on mostly name brand stuff and anything that I see really big discounts on and stuff like that. So nothing much on these shoes. Expensive stuff can be good because obviously buy it for a lot and sell it for even more. A little more profit per unit that way. But obviously we're looking for things that have a pretty good per unit profit here. So like this one's interesting. We can at least dig a little bit deeper, right? So this is going for $60 here. It's $100 online. If we switch it to seller fulfillment, which is basically shipping direct to the customer, that means we essentially have to ship this for like $15 for it to be interesting. So yeah, plugging that in the calculator there, not really enough profit. Plus I don't know if we're able to ship it for that price point. So let's keep skimming through here, see what we can find. They got some like quilts or something up here. Kind of caught my eye because the clearance price is $14 and normal's like 42 or something. So yeah, buying these for 14. These go for 34. So yeah, so looking at this sheet right here, we're buying these for 14, selling them for 34, but these don't have any dimensions that it knows about online, so we'd have to add those in here. So we're buying this for these are, let's just call these like 8 pounds. They're pretty big and fairly heavy, so I doubt these are going to be profitable. If we look at 8 pounds, it actually does show some profit there. So let's just plug it all the way in. It's like, I'm just gonna call it 20 by, I don't know, like 6. See, what does that make the fees here? And yeah, reduces us to like $2 profit. So that's going to be no good. Let's keep on going here. I always like scanning stuff that's like big, popular brands. So this actually is 66 on Walmart. I want to check Amazon on this too, just because it's, it's Ninja. So obviously a pretty good seller usually, and there might be a reason this guy's on clearance. So yeah, not seeing too much there. Let's try this guy. It's for like pools and stuff, which would be good seasonally, right? We're going into summer. So people are going to be buying a lot more stuff like this for their house, and actually, this could be our first winner, or at least something to think about, right? On this $100 challenge here. So we get these for 5 each. We sell them for 15 on Walmart. Did they sell for any more on Amazon? Let's check Amazon price. Okay, they're like the same price on Amazon, but Walmart fees are a little bit lower. So this is actually $4 profit on Walmart. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them back there. So we'll leave these on the shelf for now, but we know that we could spend $30 to make 25-ish on those. Let's keep that in mind, and we'll see how far we can stretch this $100, and we'll pick up all the good stuff at the end. Let's see, what about this guy? This caught my eye because it's like, I don't know if it's going to come into focus or not, but it says it was $50 and now it's 15. So let's see, scanning it. Okay, yeah, it's $15. How heavy is this? We can plug in some dimensions on WAMP here. The reason why it's got that little red ruler, by the way, it means no one's ever sent it into the warehouse before, but since it has estimated sales, I'm not too worried about it. I guess people have just been shipping it direct to the customer. So let's just call this, it's not light. I mean, I can pick it up pretty easily. So let's call it like, I don't know, 10 pounds. I want to overestimate. I think it's maybe closer to 7 or 8, but, and then let's call it 12 by 20 by 8 or so. What's that going to cost? Okay, interesting. So this would be a nice double up. So we're probably going to grab this. 100% ROI isn't super common. So we'll go ahead and grab this. We got $15 spent, $15 profit so far, and let's keep it going here. Let's see how far we can stretch our money. Let's see. Saw good old Billy Mays on this guy. So let's see if this new product here is on clearance for a reason or it's going to be profitable for us. Okay, so so plugging in $8 on this, it is $5 profit, but this one also doesn't have any dimensions saved. So when we add dimensions, it's not going to be profitable after shipping, but good to know we're kind of on the right track. Let's see. I also see they've got a bunch of like bluey type stuff. Any name brands are always worth checking into, although a lot of these I see are like way too close to the retail price. So I'm not really gonna waste my time scanning stuff that's, I mean, they have it on clearance by like 10%. So maybe the definition of clearance has changed, but that doesn't seem like clearance to me. What's this though? We're buying these for 24. Does this have fees and stuff already baked in? Walmart's the only one selling it, but that shouldn't be too big of a problem. So we could make 5 each on these. The ROI is a little thin. Are they any good on Amazon? Let's check there too. Let's see. Okay, on Amazon they sell pretty well, but they're going for like $20 on Amazon. So that's definitely no good. There's like a huge coffee maker up here. Time and table. Interesting. Yeah, I don't see any fast sales or anything going on there, so we're gonna go ahead and skip that guy. They got a ton of like household type stuff. This is Walmart brand, so it would probably only sell on Walmart, but we could see if it's a lot more for any reason. I'll check a couple of these. Let's see. Yeah, they're not really coming up with much, so probably go ahead and skip that guy. Let's see, here's like a toy. It has multiple clearance stickers on it, which means they're trying to get rid of it. How unpopular is this guy? Let's see. Well, he might be coming home with us because it's like 3 pounds, call it 12 H, and let's call it like 10 inches long. And then this guy's going for $6.50. Yeah, this is gonna be a pretty good one. Yeah, so we're paying $6.50, we're gonna make 6. So definitely go ahead and grab that there. So easily 21 spent so far with about that in profit. So that'd be nice if we could keep the trend going. Spend 100, make 100. Obviously pretty nice. What are these? Some like Build-A-Bear stuff. I haven't seen these before. They're like little small Build-A-Bear things. They're not on clearance deep enough though for us to want it. They're only like 25% off or so, and I'm throwing them all over the floor anyway, apparently. So let's see. I could see if any of these like holders and stuff are any good. Honestly, looking through here, I don't know if we're gonna get too much better than that 80% we had on those other items. So I might just consider that money spent, but we obviously want to keep looking. What else they got? They got some Beyblades here. I remember this from being a kid. These were elite. Let's see. Although I don't see any Walmart, it would help. We would love to buy your clearance if you put a price tag on it there. So sometimes with these, you can literally just use like the Walmart app. So I'm just gonna scan the barcode, and then this is gonna link up with the actual store I'm in. $14 at the store, and it's online for less. Okay, it's an interesting definition of clearance. No worries though. Let's see what else they got here. These are like half a retail. Those are worth checking at the very least. Let's see, max cost $10. Yeah, so I mean that's not really super interesting for us. It's like 84 cents, which hopefully is not what you're looking for. That's not what I'm looking for, at least. Let's see. Pretty similar story on this little wooden toy here. We could check this one on Amazon. Any like really big name brand stuff, I like checking Amazon. Yeah, so it sells. It's just not super profitable. These K-pop Demon Hunter monopolies. I've been seeing these at Ross, scanning some stuff recently. Yeah, I thought I remembered them being not the most profitable yet. Although I wouldn't be surprised if that becomes something that really shoots up in price over time. Pretty popular series and stuff. Let's see. Here's like a recognize this from like a YouTube channel. Sometimes these YouTube products can be good. So let's see. Okay, that one's going for $20. They got on clearance for 10, so I'd probably just keep my eyes on that and see if the prices start dropping. Honestly, a lot of this stuff, they just need to drop the price a little bit, and then we'll come in and clean it out. Oh, what do we got here? Okay, might be onto something. A few sellers on it. We're buying these for 15, and there's a bunch of them on the shelf. So this does mean worst case, we can clear out the $100 budget for sure, because there's 2, I mean, tried to pick it up and like the whole shelf fell apart here, but there's 3 more on the shelf. So we could easily hit our goal just off that alone. And yeah, looking at the stats on this, you can pop that back up here. Yeah, these would be $7 profit each. So let's keep that in mind. If we have any money left at the end of our challenge here, we're definitely gonna go ahead and look into those. Let's see, here's like some greens powder. Even without shipping, it's not quite profitable. These are like $13, so we're gonna have to skip on that one. But that's a sweet find on those little pills or whatever there. That means we can definitely spend all our money profitably here today. Now we get to see if we can kind of optimize it a little bit. Ooh, okay, here's one thing that's gonna optimize it, because we're buying these for $4.50, and this is $6.50 profit. So anything better than 100% ROI, we're definitely gonna grab. Let's see, let's keep the party going here. I see these are usually 15, so I wanted to check these out because they're on clearance for $6. So yeah, plugging in $6 there. We make a little bit of money, but there's not even dimensions plugged in yet, so we're gonna have to skip on that. See, this is like a crumble partnership or something, but it's not on clearance by enough for me to want to scan it. It's kind of interesting. They got these like crumble dove lotions or something interesting. You end up seeing like all kinds of weird collabs and that kind of stuff when you do this in the clearance aisle. Things don't always go to plan for these products, obviously. Let's see, this one is usually $20, and they got on clearance for $5. I bet we got
something decent here. Yeah, this is gonna be almost 200 ROI right there. You guys are seeing the stats. So we're definitely gonna go ahead and grab this guy right here. And let's see if we can find anything a little bit better than what we've already got here. Nah, those are like 8. All right, so I was able to skim through pretty much everything in the aisle. I don't know how long the video is gonna come out, but in about 20 minutes, we're able to skim through pretty much all the brand name stuff. The only other thing I'm thinking about here is this that I just found a second ago, going for 15 in store, and on Walmart, it's going for 31. I actually didn't check Amazon yet, so why don't we go ahead and scan that as well, see if that changes our decision. Yeah, if we buy it for 15 here, Amazon sells it, and they seem to win all the sales on Amazon, so this would definitely be a Walmart item for us. 56% ROI. I think that's a little bit better than these nootropic things here. Honestly, I'm gonna buy all this stuff, but for the sake of the challenge, we're trying to figure out the maximum use of $100 here. So this one, 46% ROI. For the challenge, I'm just gonna kind of fill up our cart with these here after we figure out and make sure there's nothing else that's higher profit, since those are only one item to manage versus like having to deal with multiple different products. So we definitely want to get these pool things that we thought about coming back to. So let's go ahead and grab these real quick. And then on top of grabbing all those pool things, I just want to do one more quick scan. Actually, I missed this on the first time. I see there's like Pioneer Woman and Delta stuff down here, like Delta Faucets name brand. Usually a good sign. See, these are 25 bucks. Decent profit, but there's no fees in here yet. One nice thing is to check SellerAmp, because if the product's listed on Amazon, it will already have dimensions and stuff saved. And yeah, I don't see anything showing up there. So let's just estimate that this is, I don't know, like 6 pounds, call it 15 inches tall. And these dimensions are just the package dimensions, by the way. So like 8 inches and then another 8 inches there. What would this cost for everything? Okay, interesting. So these are actually more profitable than the like vitamin things we're looking at. How many are there down here? Okay, so there's just 2 of them down there, but I mean, that's easy, another 50 bucks. So I'm getting these. These are another $30 profit. But what you guys are gonna see in a second is the actual profit number on the easiest $100 that we were able to spend, kind of the highest ROI products. And the recording right now is right around 20 minutes, and I had to pause a bunch of times, like let people walk by and let the music be loud and that kind of stuff for the video. So pretty successful run. When I'm doing this stuff, I'd usually say I make about 300 bucks an hour, and that was right on pace for today. So not too bad for you know, walking around and scanning some stuff here. So yeah, basically just like a nice little treasure hunt walking here through Walmart. I know a lot of you guys watch the videos and want to try this for yourself. So if you're one of those people, comment anything on this video, and I'm going to choose one of you guys a week from today to win 60 days of the app we've been using all day for free. So you can go do it for yourself. Everybody else, you can also just try it for free for 2 weeks down below. Definitely go check that out.